Okay, today we're gonna make crepes in a pan, but we turn into a cake. Okay, from Great Taste of Las Vegas, let's start cooking our crepe cake for Christmas. So in a plastic pan, so it's easy to pour when you make it, we need 3 eggs. And you're gonna whip that. We add a little bit of salt to it. And then we add 1 cup of rice flour. And then we add half cup of tapioca flour, half cup. 1 cup of regular flour, half cup of sugar, or even less. I don't like too sweet. So mix it together. 1 cup of warm milk. And we're going to add big tablespoon of coconut oil. So we warm it up about 45 seconds. Here you have some warm milk and some oil. You can just pour the whole thing in. So what do you do right now is you're going to put them into the strainer and make them more fine. There's a lot of plum here, so that will help mix the plum good, okay? Going to add a little bit of baking powder in there. And then you can add a little bit more milk into it. It doesn't matter because just add little. That would make a big difference because a lot of sticking here. Do it one more time because we just put in some baking powder, right? Okay, we're going to turn on the stove to cook the crepe. Medium heat. You can go high first when it's good, and you can put there. Just a little bit of coconut oil. Go, it's nice and hot, so just have that oil spread around so it doesn't stay in one place, okay? So here we go, our batter. We're going to pour the batter in. Good already. We don't want to burn it, so we turn it to medium low. Put on the cover. You don't have to. It will cook by itself anyway. And then you want to make sure both sides of it is good. And then you want to taste the crepe to make sure that they to your liking, or you can make it thinner. Tastes good. Okay, so this is cooked. This is also a thick crepe, but you can also make it thinner. So I'll make 2 more thinner. You add just water in, add it gradually. This thing can be thin, and it's still, the crepe will be thin, but it's still crepe. But I do that because I want to make more layer. This crepe a little bit thinner, I just add water in to make more layer. You can, because the batter itself is very good. And then we're going to make the whipped cream, and we're going to decorate into a Christmas cake. Okay, so we're going to take our 4 layer of crepe out. We'll let it cool, and then we're going to whip our whipped cream and make cake out of that. A quart of heavy whipped cream. Whip them halfway, about 2 minutes, and then turn it higher. By the meantime, make sure these crepes are cool. And then turn it higher, and then you put about this much. You put about only half cup of sugar or less. And we don't put a lot because very little tasty. The cream already tastes good by itself, so probably for this much, half cup is good or less, okay? Close it, and then these are cake we cool already, so we put the first layer down, and then we'll pile the cream on top. Less than half cup, 1/4 cup of sugar is good. Put the second one on. Now we can put the rest of the cream on top. Wow, we use all of the cream. We're going to make a little piping cream in here to make it look pretty. Our surface needs to be enough cream here. We make it just round like that. Push the cream all the way down to where you can pipe. Okay, so I'm going to put some raspberry on top. We're going to make 3 tablespoons of jam. 1, 2, 3. 1 pot of water into it. So this is strawberry glaze. 3 pot of jam, 1 pot of water. Look, consistency is good. And then you can just pour them on top. On all of that berry. Okay, here our cake made with crepe. Delicious cake. So yummy. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, hope you're happy and healthy.